Guys, so this is a 2008 Honda Fit, and I've done videos on water leaks on this before, but check this out. Look how much water comes in. Here it comes. So that is just on the driver's side. Watch it pool in. So on these older Honda Fits, a lot of times the vapor barrier inside the door panel, they don't stick anymore. And watch it pool in. Can you spray more on this side? Spray more on this side. And watch it come. There you go. That's where it's coming from. Look how much water comes in. That's crazy. All right, stop. Okay, now I'll show you the passenger side. Right, now we're on the passenger side. Look, he just started, and look how much water comes in. You can already see. Look at that. That's a lot of water. So the back seat here was all completely wet. The trunk's completely wet. And I think the front is a little bit wet too. So look at how much water's coming in because of that vapor barrier. All right, so this is the passenger side front door. Let's take a look, see if water starts coming in. Man, it smells in here. And it does not. Can you do more at the front? Looks like the front door is okay. So here's the driver's door. It looks kind of wet, so might as well check this side too. Water coming in. There you go. Water also coming in on that. So 3 out of the 4 doors are leaking. So I need to redo the vapor barrier in these doors. Might as well do all 4. What I'm also replacing is this trunk seal. So you see where this tear is, and you can see water gets into there, comes out of here, right, overflows into your striker here, and it leaks in, and then it comes down to where your jack is, and it rushes out. So I got a new trunk seal. Of course, the typical corner, I see some water up there. There's some drips. Right, let's see if I can get it right there. Right, I don't know if I can get that on camera, but yeah. So the trunk's all wet, back seat's wet, and the front driver's all wet. And of course, you can see the cracks right there. This side has a chunk right there in the corner. If you can see it right there behind the grommet. All right, Honda Fit rear door panel removal. There's a screw here. And there's this cover, right? This cover is just hooked in, so be careful not to break it. Some people like to pull it from back here, but you will break this tab that goes into there, and it's always going to be flopping around. And then underneath there are 2 screws. There's one here and one there, and then it's all held in by clips, so you just give it a yank. Sure enough, somebody over here already broke it. That's why there's a screw here. This door panel off, and it didn't even have a vapor barrier, and you can see that it's leaking inside because of the water on the door panel. So what do? I decided to make one myself out of a GFL bag. Not sponsored by GFL, but damn, does it look good. I just cut around it, and then yeah, so link in the description if you want to buy one. No, I'm just joking. Don't I'm not putting it in the link. I'm not selling these. Give all this plastic trim pieces a cleaning too while I have it out. While I have these door panels off, you can see the different color. So I'm gonna clean everything out. I took out all the seats, right? And I did a good vacuum. Already looks pretty good with just the vacuuming. But look at the vacuum. I left it out overnight, and look at the nasty water just from vacuuming the carpet. So my vacuum started leaking all that water. I got my light up there, my GFL door vapor barrier, but I did a good vacuuming and it's so much better. Still a little damp, so do a little bit more cleaning. But this customer is leaving this car for like 5 days, so I got plenty of time to clean out the interior. I even brought my carpet cleaner and my steam cleaner. We have an ozone machine in our shop that we have, and yeah, just give everything a good wipe, like the dash and everything. I took the center console out and give this thing a good clean before we get it back to the customer from all that water leak. So yeah, we don't typically do this at the dealership, but I just decided to do it. I just do this on the side while the guy who works beside me, he's on vacation, so I can use his bay and do other stuff, and then come back to this when I'm, you know, on some downtime, you know. All right, so everything's all dry. Carpet's dry. Seats are dry from the carpet. I ran this fan back here all night, and I'm gonna stick the ozone machine in here. Water in that thing was like super black, and that's our ozone machine. So yeah, before I left, the advisor came to me and told me that a customer came to pick up the car. She got inside it, and she was very happy that how clean it was. So yeah, that's good to hear.